Everyone, I am Neeraj Rajiv, member EETI Foundation. Today is the third and the last day of our journey with AutoCAD with Miss Abarna A. Abarna, as we all know, is an S6 civil engineering student at CT Trivandrum and has a solid knowledge in the field of CAD designing. Over the past 2 days, we have been introduced to AutoCAD and we now have sufficient knowledge about the same. So today's session will be a task discussion session in which we will be discussing the solutions of the assigned task. So, without further ado, please join me in welcoming our speaker for today, Miss Abarna.
Thank you, Neeraj. Let's move on to our session. I'll share my screen now. Okay, so in the last session, we have drawn the plan of our twin house. So our plan is complete. Now we have to draw the section as well as elevation. So we can start with the section. For drawing the section, I need to project the plan. But first of all, I need to rotate this. So I am copying this. Now I am rotating it. Now, now I need to show the cutting section. I am cutting through the second step over here. For that, I can draw the cutting section using line. I can use another color. This is my section. Now I cut through here and I'm viewing towards the left side. So I need to represent it using arrows. For that, I'm creating two triangles. To create triangles, I need to draw inclined lines. For that, I am turning off my ortho mode. Now I can hatch the triangle. I can use solid hatch. I can name my section as AA. So, okay. Now I can project the lines from the plan. For that, I can use construction line. I choose construction line. Then here I need vertical lines. So V enter. Now I need to project the walls. Then if I cut through here and view to the left side, I can see the walls, three walls and a door. So I need to project this 80/20 door also, this door. So that's enough. Now I need to draw a ground line so that I can use line and draw a line over here. Now I can trim off the lines. Now I need to draw the basement over the walls. For that, I can use line. First of all, I need to draw an extension of 5 centimeter to the left side, 5 and a depth of 45 for the basement. Again 5 to the right at a depth of 45. Now I need to draw the foundation, which is 60-meter deep and 45-meter wide. So here already I have 20 plus 10, that is 30. Now I need 15 more for that. So 7.5 on either side. So 7.5 and at a depth of 60 units. From here 7.5, I can join this. Now I need to draw the leveling course, which is PCC. Uh, its length is 75 centimeters, so I need 15 on both sides. So 15. Its depth is 20 centimeter. 20, 15. So my foundation is complete. Now I need to copy it over here and here. For that, copy, select object. I need to join here because it's one single line. Now I can copy, select this line as well, select the base beneath this wall and this wall. So my foundation is complete. Uh, this line actually represents the floor. Now I need to draw the line which represents the ground. So I need to join these lines. Actually, I can extend this line and trim this one. So this is our ground level. We can see this much. These two structure is under the ground. So that's it. Now I need to draw the roof at a height of 300 centimeter, that is 3 meter. Typical height of a structure. For that, 300. Now I need to draw roof. My roof is projected at 60 centimeter from the wall. So line from here 60. The height is also 60. Now I can trim the lines. I need to show the roof slab. For that I can offset it to a distance of 2.5. 2.5 and offset this line. Now I need to, this is the floor slab. Now I need to draw the roof slab. For that I can offset it to a distance of 10 centimeter. Offset 10. Uh, I am cutting through the roof parapet. So I need to show that the distance from the outer wall will be 20 centimeter. That's the same as that of our wall. That is 20. So I am offsetting 20 roof parapet. Now I can trim off the unwanted lines. Now I need to represent the doors and windows. Since I am cutting through here, I am cutting through a door, a step, and a window. And I can view a door 80/20 as well as the step here. So I need to draw two doors and a window. My door is 80/20, which means the height of the door is 200 centimeter. So line, door at a height of 200 centimeter. I can trim this, and here also I need a door at the left wall. Line, window is also at a height 200 meter, but the depth of the window is 15 W12. That is the height of the window is 120 meter. So 120 downwards. So my window is complete, and now I am cutting through the window and door on the left and right walls respectively. So I need to draw a lintel which is 10 centimeter deep. For that I can use line 10. This door I am not cutting through, so there is no need to show the lintel. Okay, now I need to draw the center line of window and offset it to a distance of 2.5 on either side. I can delete the center line as well as trim off these lines in the lintel. Now my window is ready. Now all I need to do is hatch and label. I can offset this door to a distance of zero point 0.5 in order to represent the door frame. Offset zero point 0.5, and I can use fillet. Okay, now my section is ready. Now I need to hatch. I can give this hatch to where I cut through the brick wall. So here, 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 here. Then, oh, I forgot to draw this step. You can draw this step. So I'm starting from here at a distance of 25 centimeter, then downwards 25, then to the side 25. I can join it. On both side I can see step, one of which I am cutting through. So step here also. This step I am just viewing, not cutting through. Yeah. This wall I'm actually viewing through here. I can see this wall. So there is no need to hatch the wall. Hatch. This step I am cutting through. This one here. So I need to hatch it. Okay, that's it. Here also I need to hatch the wall. Okay. Now I need to represent the slab using PCC. For that hatch I can use AR concrete. AR concrete. This one. Here I need to scale down on all the slab as well as leveling course. I can scale down further. Lintel also. Okay. Now I need to hatch the basement, that is with rubble masonry, that is gravel. I can select gravel. I can increase the scale. This is rubble masonry. Now I need to fill this portion with sand. For that hatch, and I can use AR sand. So my hatching is complete. Now I need to label it for that dimension. Wall is 20. So labeling is also complete. This is section. Section AA. Our section is complete. Now I can delete this picture. Delete. Now I need to draw the elevation. For that I need to project lines from plan as well as section. I can choose construction line for that. So first I'm drawing vertical lines. So we end up in elevation. I can see the outer wall but not the inner wall. So in front elevation I can see these window, the door and step, not the inner walls. So window, door, again window. So there are four windows and two doors. Now I need to draw horizontal lines. So construction line H and I'm drawing the ground baseline on the wall. Actually this one. Lintel is not seen in the elevation, so this line and the roof. Now I need to trim off the lines. It's actually a little bit confusing, but once you trim, our elevation is ready. On trimming, roof slab, I don't need any lines. Then here I want a window, I need a line below also. For that, I can extend. So now my elevation is almost complete. I need to project the roof as well as plinth. So roof projection is 60, 60, And I can copy this one. I need to mirror it, or let's draw it. 60. Now I need to draw plinth. It is 5 centimeter projection. 5. I can trim the lines. So this is my elevation. Now I can give the frame of the window and door. For that I can use offset at a distance 0.5. I can do it individually, or I copy it also after doing one. After offsetting, I can use fillet. Fillet. Now here I can use trim. Trim. I need to trim all the four edges. It's a little bit tedious process. It's better if you just copy it. Okay, so it's complete. I can move the section here. Okay, now I need to draw a box or the border. For that I can use rectangle. Now I need to create the title box. For that, But this is actually not the standard one. You need to mention the scale. The screen or semi detached house. You need to represent scale also. For our figure, the scale is 1 is to 100. You do it in centimeters. So if you drew it in millimeters, it is 1 is to 1000. Scale 1 is to 100. I can draw rectangles. So my drawing is complete. If I want, I can offset this for border. Offset it to a distance of 5. So my drawing is complete. Now I need to convert it into PDF. I've already explained how to convert this into PDF. For that I can use plot icon, then AutoCAD high quality print, Windows. I can select the window, then center the plot, preview. So this is the drawing I need to submit for task. So it's fine so that I can convert it into PDF. Okay, and save. So we have reached the end of our session. Actually, the end of this AutoCAD workshop. So if anybody have any doubt, you can ask now.
Do anyone have any doubts? You can ask now. In that case, I think we can wind up today's session. Can we, Abarna? Can we wind up today's session?
Yeah, sure.
So I will be giving the conclusion. Thank you, Abarna, for sharing your insights and expertise with us today. Your talk has been both informative and engaging, and we appreciate the effort you have made in preparing and delivering it. We hope that our audience too has found today's session helpful and that they will be able to impart this knowledge practically in their life also. As we come to the end of this series on AutoCAD, we would like to remind everyone to fill your valuable feedback in the feedback form provided in the chat box. The recording of today's session is available on our official website. Also, do join our WhatsApp group for getting the latest updates from us. The respective links are provided in the chat box. Participants who have submitted the assigned task will be given certificates. You can check your email for this. So once again, thank you, Abarna, for from myself and EETI family for being a part of today's program. Thank you all.